Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tsar of Bizarre. Today we're diving into the wild and wacky world of animals with some mind-blowing facts that you probably never knew. Buckle up because these are going to be some seriously surprising revelations. Fact number 1. The immortal jellyfish. Yep, you heard that right. The Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish, has a superpower that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This incredible creature can essentially reverse its aging process and start its life cycle over again. When it's injured or under stress, it transforms its cells to a younger state and begins its life all over. Talk about hitting the reset button. Pretty wild, right? But that's just the beginning. Fact number 2, the flying fish with a surprising ability. Flying fish might sound like a fantasy, but these amazing creatures actually glide above the water. They can soar through the air for over 100 meters, about the length of a football field. This unique ability helps them escape from predators and navigate their way through the water with incredible agility. Next up, we've got a rodent that's bigger than you might think. Fact number 3, the tongue-twisting name of the world's largest rodent. Meet the capybara, the largest rodent on the planet. These fascinating creatures can weigh up to 140 pounds and are known for their social nature. They live in groups and even have webbed feet for swimming in the wild. Despite their size, they're incredibly gentle and make great companions. Now, let's talk about a shrimp with a snapping surprise. Fact number 4, the shrimp that can snap at 200 miles per hour. Enter the peacock mantis shrimp, a marine marvel with a claw that strikes faster than a bullet. This shrimp's strike is so powerful it can break glass aquariums and stun its prey with a single hit. Plus, its eyes are some of the most complex in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing polarized light and a spectrum of colors beyond human perception. And finally, let's explore a creature with some seriously impressive regeneration skills. Fact number 5, the animal that can regrow its entire body. Meet the axolotl, a fascinating amphibian with the ability to regenerate not just limbs, but also parts of its heart and brain. If it loses a leg, it grows back. If it needs to repair damaged organs, it does that too. Scientists study axolotls to understand more about regeneration and potentially apply that knowledge to human medicine. Wow, isn't nature just incredible? Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content from the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.